Happy Sunday, everyone! It's meal prep day. For today, I'm gonna prep 3 separate meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung ano yun, kaya kung ako sa'yo, sundan nyo ako. Let's go! So, yung tatlong meals, ready to cook na yun mga mi. Ayan, so, pin-reserve ko na lahat. I'm very excited to try it. Abangan sa aking Instagram account, link below, yung recipe and yung taste test. See you there!